Well, hello, Internet. It's the first Friday of the month, and do you know what that means? That is right, ladies and gents, it is Musical Interpretation Day, and today we are going to be musically interpreting We're going to be musically interpreting Ariana Grande's One Less Problem. So let's not waste any time, let's get started. It's Iggy Iggs. I got one more problem with you, girl. One less problem. Iggy can say her name. We know this to be true. Hey baby, even though I hate ya, I want to love you, I want you. Well, that's just confusing. You probably shouldn't tell somebody you hate them, but then that you love them. And even though I can't forgive you, I really want to. I want you. You're just all sorts of contradicting yourself. We are 2 lines into this fucking song. Tell me, baby, why can't you leave me? Because even though I shouldn't want it, I gotta have it, I want you. If you shouldn't want it, then you probably just should walk the fuck away. Cut that shit in the butt, Ariana. Head in the clouds, got no weight on my shoulders. I should be wiser and realize that I've got. What you got? What you got? One less problem without you. I got one less problem without you. I got one less problem without you. I got one less problem. So she's got one less problem without this said person. And that repeats, and I'm not gonna read that chorus twice. Y'all know how it goes. It's been abducting your radio signals for ever. I know you're never gonna wake up. I gotta give up, but it's you. Ariana, this guy's an idiot. So stop. No, I should never call back or let you come back, but it's you. You know what, Ariana girl? We got this in common. I got that same problem where I'll call you, I'll text you back even though I shouldn't because I know that it's bad for me. But because this is not my problem, I'm gonna tell you to not do that. Every time you touch me and say you love me, I get a little bit breathless. I shouldn't want it, but it's you. You don't need to be breathless. Just like that. And then you just did it. You took a breath. Head in the clouds, got no weight on my shoulders. I should be wiser and realize that I've got. What have you got, Ariana? She's got one less problem without you. She got one less problem without you. She got one less problem without you. She got one less problem. It's Iggy Iggs. What you got? Smart money betting I'll be better off without you. In no time, I'll be forgetting all about you. You say that you know, but I really doubt you. Understand my life is easy when I ain't around you. So Iggy is like, I can already tell. I haven't even read through this verse yet, but I can already tell. Iggy is gonna be like, listen here, bitch. You need to quit that shit. You need to get yourself up, dust yourself off, find you a hotter man with more money who is younger. And show this bitch ass motherfucker over here that's giving you all these problems that you can do better. I'm not even gonna analyze the rest of it until I read all the way through it, and I'll show you how fucking right I am. Iggy, too biggie to be here stressing. I'm thinking I love the thought of you more than I love your presence. And the best thing now is probably for you to exit. I'll let you go. Let you back. Finally learned my lesson. No half-stepping. Either you want it or you just playing. I'm listening to you knowing. I can't believe what you're saying. There's a million yous, baby boo. So don't be dumb. I got 99 problems, but you won't be one. Like what? I fucking told you. She's like, listen bitch, you don't need to fucking do this shit. I can do better than you and your stupid motherfucking ass. Look at you. You're looking ass. You're looking ass motherfucker. And then Ariana comes back. It's very important. Head in the clouds, got no weight on my shoulders. I should be wiser, and I realize that I've got one less problem without you. I got one less problem without you. I got one less problem without you. I got one less problem. So what have we learned today, kids? We've learned that Ariana Grande, like many of us women, have a soft place in our heart for the idiots that we find attractive. Yeah, that's very true. Number 2, Iggy Azalea comes in and she's like, nah, bitch, listen. Motherfuckers like him a dime a dozen. We got you a lineup. Just get the next one. He's a piece of shit. Just get the next one. Like a typical Iggy Azalea, because she's a badass bitch. And number 3, we have learned that Big Sean can most definitely say one less problem without you 15,000 fucking times. So that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm sorry this video was going to be late because I'm lame and I got busy and my life is crazy right now with work and stuff, so I just didn't have time to film this week. But yeah, you got one fucking anyway, didn't you? So quit bitching. So yeah, do me a solid and click the like button if you liked it. And click my face if you want to subscribe to my channel because I put out new videos every Friday. And then click right over here to see what happened last week. Beauty Friday video. What was it about? What was my Beauty Friday video about? Oh, I bought a bunch of fucking summer clothes, so you should go check that out. And I'm considering making an end slate at some point. I think that's a good idea. If you want me to make an end slate, you should give this bad boy a thumbs up. And if I get enough of them, then I'll consider it. Or we could just keep doing it this way, the talky way. Alright, well, I'll see you fuckers later. Goodbye.